Step inside and fall in love with this beautifully maintained traditional home in the highly desirable Hidden Lake neighborhood. This classic floor plan offers both formal living and dining rooms, with the living room featuring elegant French doors, making it an ideal space for a home office if desired. The kitchen is a chef's dream, showcasing an abundance of white cabinetry, hardwood floors, expansive quartz countertops, a stylish tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, a walk-in pantry, and a convenient snack bar for casual dining. The adjoining breakfast area provides easy access to the private patio, creating the perfect setting for indoor-outdoor entertaining. The family room is truly the heart of the home, featuring stunning views of the private backyard, beautiful arched built-ins, and rich hardwood floors. The thoughtfully designed back entry includes a laundry area, half bath, and ample storage for everyday convenience. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious loft with a double closet. This versatile flex space is perfect for a cozy sitting area, playroom, or home office, and could easily be enclosed to create a fifth bedroom. The impressive primary suite offers generous space, custom built-ins, peaceful backyard views, tray ceilings, and separate his and her walk-in closets. The luxurious ensuite bath features dual sinks, a large soaking tub, and a separate shower. Bedrooms 2 and 3 have been refreshed with new paint and flooring and share a charming Jack and Jill bathroom. Bedroom 4 is oversized and enjoys direct access to an adjacent full bath. The finished lower level expands your living space with a huge recreation room, an additional full bath, and abundant storage. Outside, you'll discover your own private retreat, complete with mature landscaping, a brick patio, and exceptional privacy. The 3-car garage features new insulated garage doors, attic access, and an organized storage system. Enjoy everything Hidden Lake has to offer, including scenic nature trails, a community park with a sledding hill, tennis and basketball courts, a sports field, and private lake access. This exceptional home combines timeless style,